We are ready. Hello everyone, welcome to this session 302 morning. And today I will continue with this problem named walking robot simulation. Yesterday I test but failed in this case. No. Well, I had an error with an special test. Okay, let me try with this. Okay, and run. Yeah. Okay, now yesterday checking a little bit the solution, I noticed that I used these directions for very similar where you are using graphs. And let me delete all the prints and these stuffs. But well, today I will replace my old way to handle the direction for this way. Basically is that the first point is that the first element is x and next to is the y. Okay, and for this, let me put here. This is the structure, and for this basically is okay. The first is left. No, we start with the north. Yeah. No. Top. Here should be right. Bottom and left. Okay. In here, or y is basically north and south, and x is west and east. Yeah. In this case, for the top, should we have this? Yeah, because the first is x and next to is y. For right should have 1 and 0. For bottom should have less 1 in y. And for left it's less 1, 0. Okay. Now this keeping the same order, and for this here, I was thinking that we can avoid okay, let me down a little bit the music. Okay, got it. Now I was thinking that we can avoid this operation and all the time use the add. One moment. What is my Twitch? It's here. Okay, and avoid this operation using this, because basically you can add, for example, let me change this. This should be replaced for x plus equal. In this case is directions. Yeah, in the direction, in this case the direction is where there, that is to the north. Yeah, and in the index 0, and is the same with y, but obviously with the index 1. And avoid this, but I'm not sure if this could work with the negative numbers. Let me comment this code. Yeah, because for example for y, well, every time if we are moving to the north, basically x shouldn't increase in any time, yeah, because it's zero. It's x plus equals zero all the time, means that it's not moving. Yeah, with this I can avoid this, but now okay, let me check what is the output. Sure. 25, 36. Okay. Okay, now here I'm not sure, because for example, if you are walking in the north works, but what happens when you cross the line? For example, you have negative in y. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, should works with negative 2. Okay, now here, let me check. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, here. Mm, this works because don't have any obstacles, but here that have obstacle have this problem. Yeah, maybe it's for this. Yeah, here is stop it. Oh, I can reuse this and avoid this, but apply this. But now here, what happened here? What is wrong here? I expect this, but I got this. Mm. Mm-mm. Oh, I think that we are calculate right this, but next to we should come back to the previous value. Let me explain here. Description here, for example, with the obstacle here. Uh-huh. The first time the robot work or move north 4 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. Now is less one is means that to right. Okay, and next to should move is 4 times when have one unit get locked because the second is no, it's okay. Yeah, because the next time in one move, yeah, no, it's right. Mm, let me check here. Yeah, I can mix this in this because basically it's the same. Mm, let me format this. Okay, now XY break. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, let me come back this to the previous. Oh no, I can't. Mm, I think that maybe is my way to update the directions because when okay I am looking in the north when isles one is east and the other way is west. Okay, when I am looking the west the right is north. Yeah, this is wrong. Is north. No, is the right is south and left is north, okay, south, okay, I'm looking to down, basically is the opposite that the first one, okay, I'm looking, the right, yeah, I think that this should be a positive, and here is the same. Mm, I think that it is this, but oh no 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 no. mm, uh, in this, it's not necessary. This integer. Mm, okay, let me check more test. Uh, okay, maybe this we no, this is wrong. Is this and damn. Example. Oh, leetcode is freezing. Um, uh, hello, hello. One moment, please, because my okay, it's done. Let me check. Why do you write so many code base rotate? Mm, with the many cover rotate can be implemented on ternary. Where? Where? I don't catch. Where? I am checking the chat, but I don't. This is basically for change the direction. You know, when it's north and you need to right, it's basically transform it to east. Other way is west, and it's the same with the other direction. But I have currently this error, but I don't know why. I am thinking that, or is maybe this way, but I don't think. And my second idea is with this. What happens when you have an obstacle? I'm not sure if I am calculate in the right way. This is the my error right now. I am trying to search or to find and test more sure for try to understand what is the error, but okay, let me copy this. The obstacles are okay. Okay, got it. Let me move this to the final and okay. Okay, here I have, okay, in my case my output is night. What is happening here? Left is the west. Because we are looking to the north, and turn left is basically the west. Now in the west is to right, another to the north. Next to is less 2, it's another come back to the west, and is working 3 times, but and we have this obstacle here. All this can be replaced by 2 expression with the cycle counter from 0 to this change of the directions. One moment, I would like to check if this test contains 0, 0, because maybe this is I didn't see anything here, any 0, 0. Okay, it's not related, but here can be obstacle. Some of the greater obstacle over point where appear some agreed the obstacle, the greater point obstacle with the rubber runs. Then it will instead stay in the current position. Here, what happens, for example, when you are where is, yeah, you are here and you have an obstacle. Okay, it's moved to the next move, but what happened? Should remove this obstacle, because in another way all the time is still in the same position. The rover runs in the obstacle, they will instead stay in the current location and move on to the next command. Yeah, in this case I am calculate the distance only to the final, because here I stop the yeah, but I calculate only when, for example, if you go, you need to yeah, because for example in this case I am looking to the north face, and if appear an obstacle, basically I stop the iteration and I will get the final position that reach before the obstacle. But it's okay if I put here, don't should change anything, I think. My god, my lead code is very slow. Mm-mm. The robot can be deployed and the final destination won't be. Mm, mm, yeah, I know, because for example, in this case, the robot walk to the north and come back. Yeah, and the maximum value should have is 36. But for this reason, all the time, mm, no, this don't makes any difference, because I am agreed that it's is the max distance, not the final point. But in this case, is when the robot is walking, can change the direction, and for example, you are walking in one direction, okay, the north. You can come back uh, without calculate this position. For this reason, I have this max here, because basically in the end of over each command is calculate. Obviously, if appear an obstacle, okay, is stop it and is calculating this point. All the time I am trying to calculate this, but I'm not sure what happened here. Uh, Maybe it's time to check here. Okay, this is my input. Mm-mm. Yeah, but here I really don't know what happened, because for the other test works, and the other tests, for example, have the obstacles, but well, this is very large. Okay, let me check. Okay, we have these commands. We start, for example, here is 0 0. Here we have this 0 0. Okay, and means that, okay, the first point is that I check. Okay, the first is, okay, is an change of direction. In this case, yeah. The first time I am looking on this direction to the north. Yeah, and the first say, okay, turn left, means that change the direction, only that. Next to is again turn right. If I am looking to this direction, basically it's change again to the north. Okay, now I am looking again to this. Next to is less 2 is again to left. My god, it's again to left. And next to is okay, walk, I need to move in this direction uh, three times, or 3 units, 1 2 3 until here. But again, I need validate this. For example, in this case, this 0 0 appear here, means that I need to avoid this walk, because it's 0 0 in here. Okay, starting 0, the direction is plus equal. Okay, here I notice an error, because in any moment is 0 0. For example, I start in 0 0, But when I start with this 4, in any moment I can discover this 0 0 because basically here I am increasing this value. Yeah. For example, here x is 0 and y is 0, and it's basically okay. It doesn't matter which direction I am looking. For example, you imagine you are working in the north, for the north direction. This increase, and in this moment the 0 0 is never validate. Yeah, maybe I need to move this before this validation, because in this way I can validate. Okay, it's a 0 0. Continue with the next. Okay, and move here. Now maybe I need to check in both. Okay, but I have another doubt. What happens when I have, for example, the 0 0, and the problem said if you have an obstacle in the path, basically is move to the next command, right? The road runs into obstacle, stay in the current location and move to the next command. Okay, got it. Maybe I am understand wrong this problem, because yeah, it's okay if you have 0 0 as an obstacle, but it's only when you cross, not when you are stay in the 0 0. Yeah, it's only when you cross, in which case you can cross this 0 0. For example, in this case, when you start in 0 0, you go to top and come back. And do you imagine that here is, for example, 0 0? Basically, in this moment, you should stop one unit before to reach this 0 0. Okay, no, it's okay. This code is okay, but now let me come back to this and retake my draw. Okay, now we are. Okay, let me come back. Okay, the first time we are looking to this direction. Less 2 basically is this. Less 1 is again this. And less 2 is again this. Okay, the final is for this. And next 2 is 3. Okay, let me check or mark this as an obstacle. And okay, we need to move 3 times. 1, 2, 3 until reach this. But now we need to check if appear in this path one obstacle. In this case is, okay, the first is x and next to is y. What is yeah, x, y. X, in this case the x is this, y. Here I need to negative number, less 2, but in 5 now. Less 2 and less 5. Less 2, 0, 2, less 1, less 2. Okay, no, don't appear any obstacle here. Okay. Next to is the 7. Okay, keep walking in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, but let me check. We want to search less any here. Yeah, less 2. No, because I need a 0. Less 5, 2. No. Less 1. Don't find any any obstacle here means that reach this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and is 10 multiplied for 10 plus 0 multiplied for 0. This is 0. This is 100. Oh my gosh. 100 plus is equal 100. And why I only return is for this. In which moment appear this value? Okay, let me debug this code because don't make sense. Don't should find any obstacle. What? Let's 2 less 1. Say that x 4. No, this is wrong. This is wrong because in any moment the x is positive. All the time is working in this direction and means that it's negative. Direction is 1, 0, 1. Oh. It's here. Yeah, I noticed. It's here because I am using my previous direction. Previously, I was using a simple variables to this direction, but in this case is wrong. Well, I use this, means that, for example, top means 0, east, south, west. One, 2, 3. Okay, here east is 1 and west. Oh no, it's the same. North is 0. Is 1. No, it's yeah, but it's for this. Okay, this direction, what is the direction? Is 1. And n, what is the value of n? Is 7. Here. No. I need to validate what happened all the time. Let me check. Okay, the first time we are looking to the north means that we need to change to west. Yeah, in this case, don't find anything. Oh my gosh, it's here, sorry. Let me come back. The first time should appear here because it's a change of direction. Yeah, and receive the direction that currently is 0, north, and the new direction is less 2, means that is turn left, means that if we are looking to the north, to left is basically west. This should return west. Let me check. And west is 3. Oh. Okay, let me check. The first time, okay, here direction is 0, looking to the north. Okay, and is this basically should return this value. Okay, yeah, return west. Okay, come back here, and now the next value, the next direction is less 1. If we are looking to the west direction, to left it's the south. Yeah, means that should return 2. Okay. Okay, north. Yeah. West. This is wrong, right? Because if I am looking to the west, to left is of the south, and to right is to the north. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have grown this direction. Oh my gosh. Let me check if I submit. Oh, finally. Finally. I will publish my solution. So, west to, yeah, this is wrong. This is south. Yeah. In here solution using hash map. No, it's only simulation. Okay, let me check the solution, the editorial. Simulation, the robot state is defined by 2 factors. If you could convert obstacle to faster data structure. But I understand, but it's not necessary because basically I am using the hash set. It's only when you are consulting the hash set, it's a constant time, right? I can improve this code, avoid this for. Like maybe, but in this case, for example, the key that is an integer. What is the meaning of this integer? But for example, in this case, yesterday I was talking with Nemis, and Nemis asked why don't only increase, for example, if you are in 0, 0, do you imagine that you are here, 0, 0, and you are looking in this direction, and the command is please walk 40 units, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Replace this for a simple function to go to the final point. Obviously is 0 plus this. But what happened with this obstacle? Basically, yesterday I had the idea, okay, validate this option. If you don't find any obstacles here, only add 0 plus 4. But the way to discover if you have an obstacle between this path or inside this path is basically with the range. You know, you have the range 0 to 4, and it's basically, okay, we need to discover, and in this moment I don't know if appear, yeah, in any moment these values in the obstacles, yeah. But well, I had this idea yesterday, but I preferred keep with my approach that, well, the final works, but let me check the answer. Yesterday I was checking this answer because I didn't idea why return a wrong answer, but checking this come back to I came back to my solution and replace my way to use the direction for this and works and the final works. But well, current position, well, in my case I use only the x and y variables. Current direction, okay, use the same logic. In this case, the command less one. Oh damn, you are saying this, right? The current direction plus one. No, you are saying counter plus one. Yeah, in this case use the modules. 0 plus 1 is 3. Oh my gosh, this is very, it's brilliant this, because with this you can avoid all this operation basically. Yeah, here for example, um, if, oh come on, leetcode. Ah, don't detect my, okay, of course. When is n it's equal less 1, return dir plus 1 module of 4. Yeah, because it's the 4 direction. And here, well, basically the else, no, even it's not necessary because we can only have two possible direction. In this case is plus 3 and should works there. Oh. Return there plus 1. Yeah, it's much better this. It's very, very brilliant this way to change of the directions. Okay, and move forward direction, current direction, step command. Okay, basically it's the same that I am using, but in my case I am increasing or decreasing. Okay, okay. Well, was very similar to my solution. Yeah, yeah. Was very, very, very similar. Do this. Now let me check the my in a half of the metric. Okay. Now I only want to look the problem of today. Is this find missing observation? You have observation of m plus m, 6 sides that rolls with each face number 1 to 6, and this observation. In you only have the observation of m rolls. Fortunately, you have also calculate the average value of the n plus m rolls. You are given an integrate rules of the rolls of the length m, where rolls in the index I is the value of the I observation. You are also given the two integer means n m, return the rate of length to contain the missing observations such that the average value of the m n plus m rolls exactly means, well, it's I can bet that is the similar simulation. And yeah, well, I think that I I need to go to start with my work, but more late I will try to resolve this problem. How many? Okay, we have a good number. Thanks for watching this transmission, and that's it.